Hey guys, today we're going to be removing broken studs on the Chevy cylinder head, which is a very common issue. Stay tuned. Alright, so today we're going to be moving some broken exhaust manifold studs. I thought this would be a great opportunity to show you guys because I have everything very exposed, and there's actually two different examples here to explain to you. So we have one right here that the head broke off, sticking out, and then another one that's broken off inside of there. So sometimes people will remove the cylinder heads. You can send them to the machine shop, and obviously that's always an option, but it's way more work than it needs to be. I'm going to show you how you can do this without pulling the head off. Alright, so the first things first, the one right here with the stud sticking out, we're going to weld. I got an exhaust nut right here. We're going to weld the exhaust nut right on there. I'm going to beat it up nice and thick around the edge right there. That should come right out, but let's try that. Let's try this first, see if that weld grabbed or not. Come on, baby. Very stiff, but it's coming. Oh, we almost had it. There we go. Just like that. That's how it's done. All right, so that's the easier one. Let's tackle the one that's recessed. That's always gonna be more difficult, right? Okay, so now we're gonna tackle this one right here. If you can see, it's broken off pretty far inside there. So what we're gonna do is just clean that surface up really good, right there. Clean the surface up really good with a blow gun, maybe a little bit of brake clean. And then because this is an aluminum head, I can weld to that, and the weld's not gonna stick. So I can actually puddle that stud so that it sticks out a little bit, and then I'm gonna put a nut over it, and I'm gonna try to weld that to it. And they can be a pain sometimes, a little tricky, but we're gonna try it. See how I got that puddled up? Now we're going to try to put a nut on it. good to get it nice and hot like that too. Kind of want to let it cool down a little bit. You don't want it to be completely glowing. So metal is very soft when it's hot like that. So I'll wait. Yeah, but it's good enough. Look at that. Beautiful. So how many hours would that have just saved you from having to pull the whole cylinder head off and bring it to the machine shop and have them extract that for you when you can do it yourself with a welder? Piece of cake. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully I helped somebody out. And make sure you subscribe, hit the like button for more future videos like this. See you guys next time.